Meditation in 1 minute for beginners. First off, find a quiet and comfortable space. Sit or lie down, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Meditation is all about being present in the moment, so let go of any thoughts about the past or the future. Next, focus on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Take slow, deep breaths, and let your mind follow the rhythm of your breath. Now, don't worry if your mind starts to wander. It's completely normal. Whenever you notice your thoughts drifting, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Lastly, start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the duration as you get more comfortable. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding peace and clarity within yourself. So, give it a try and see how it makes you feel. Trust me, a few minutes of meditation can have a profound impact on your day.